Hello, Ben. Hello, Ray. Hello, Hopsy. Did you gather Doggy and Kitty around for a bedtime story? Once, there was a baby bear who was about to have a very brave day. First thing Baby Bear had to do was eat breakfast. Baby Bear didn't like breakfast, especially bananas for breakfast. But after trying a banana, Baby Bear loved it. Later, it was bath time, and Baby Bear did not like bath time. But Baby Bear soon learned how fun bath time can be and loved it. Later, it was bedtime, and Baby Bear did not like bedtime. But Baby Bear learned how cozy bedtime can be and loved it. Baby Bear went to sleep learning that understanding your feelings helps you be brave and try new things you might actually like. The end. A great bedtime story is a cozy way to end the day, and it sure helped everyone fall asleep. Good night, everybody.
Let's build some fun and make a splash. The water's ready, toys away. Let's start the fun, it's gonna be great. Rinse and dry, I can do it, let me try. Rinse and dry, I can do it, let me try. So many bubbles and fun breaks too. Fresh as a daisy with cuddles for you.